Cooking food. Some foods such as carrot, cucumber, lettuce. Hope you know what is lettuce is. Mainly it is used for salad and all. And fruits can be eaten raw. You may be knowing this. Few food items can be eaten raw. Many vegetables as well as fruits. Here they have given few examples. Eaten raw in the sense it can be eaten without cooking. Here they are given few examples like carrot, cucumber, lettuce and fruits. They can be eaten raw. Now, they must be washed properly before eating to remove dust and germs. Always fruits and vegetables, before we eat them raw, we need to wash it properly with water. The reason is mainly to remove dust as well as germs. Then, other foods such as rice and vegetables are cooked before they are eaten. Few food items like rice, including many other vegetables, they should be cooked before they are eaten. Now, why we need to cook the food? Cooking makes them soft, tasty and easy to chew and digest. One of the reasons why we need to cook the food is it will make the food item soft, tasty and it will be easy to chew and digest. So that is the reason we need to cook the food. There is one more reason also. Cooking food by heating kills germs that can make us sick. Even when we cook the food, at that time the germs which will cause some problem, health issues to us, they will be killed. So that is one more reason. So cooking food will make it soft, tasty and easy to chew and digest. Then cooking food by heating will also kill the germs which will make us sick, means which may cause some health issues. So these are the two important reasons. So why we need to cook the food. Now, if food is not cooked correctly, the nutrients in the food will be lost. Food should be always cooked in a proper manner. It shouldn't be overcooked also. It shouldn't be extremely less cooked also. So based on the type of food item. So the food item, based on the type of food item, the cooking should be done. The cooking should be done in such a manner, the nutrients present in the food shouldn't be lost. Food should not be overcooked. This destroys the nutrients in it. So if you overcook the food, what will happen? It will destroy the nutrients in it. So that is one reason. Then, vegetables and fruits should be washed before they are cut. Washing them after they are cut removes many nutrients. So vegetables and fruits should be always washed before they are cut. After cutting vegetables and fruits, then if we try to wash, there is possibility few nutrients present in the fruits and vegetables can be lost or it will be removed. Then, food should be cooked in just enough water. Food shouldn't be cooked in more water also. Should be like for that particular food item, what quantity of water is required, only that much quantity should be used. Now, cooking food in too much water and then throwing away the water takes away the nutrients with the water. Suppose if we cook the food with too much of water, then later we throw that particular water, there is possibility the nutrients may be lost along with that water which we are actually trying to throw. So these are the reasons why cooking food should be done correctly. Overcooked food will destroy the nutrients. And always we need to wash the vegetables and fruits before it is cut. After it is being cut, if we wash, it will remove many nutrients. And food should be cooked always with enough water, correct quantity water. If we use more water and later when we throw that particular water, the nutrients will be lost.